Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to LSI Graph, the best contextual and semantic keyword research tool. Internal linking is vital in maximizing the potential of your content and website. SEOs often stress the importance of backlinks for ranking, but internal linking's role is just as important. So what is internal linking? Internal linking happens when you link one of your site's pages to another page within the same domain, usually through a hyperlink. There are various ways that you can do internal linking, but of course, to have the best results, it is best to follow some best practices that have been recommended by experts. The first of these is to stay away from standalone text like click here, visit site here, or even naked URL links. Not only do these standalone texts feel a little bit clickbaity, but they are also unable to entice readers. Ultimately, you are just wasting your own time. And you must be wondering, how then should I do my internal linking? Well, let me teach you how. Your anchor text should describe the page that you are linking to or explain why you are linking to the page. Let me give you some examples. Let's say you are writing an article about keyword mapping. Your anchor text should be something like, learn about the best practices for keyword mapping, or how does keyword mapping help your SEO, or even anchor text like a new keyword mapping method to increase efficiency. So, now that you know how to do internal linking, why should you do internal linking? Well, firstly, it enhances the visitor experience of your website. Internal linking plays a vital role in granting your visitors the ability to dig deeper and inform themselves about a specific niche or topic of interest. This keeps visitors within your website and helps them to supplement their initial knowledge on a specific topic. Secondly, it also helps you to get your site crawled, indexed, and ranked easier by Google. How, you may ask? Well, it sets up a clear hierarchy for your content to help Google understand your page better, which results in a more accurate and a higher ranking on SERP. And lastly, it also drives user conversion for your website. A strong internal linking structure drives your target audience deeper into your site's content and eventually towards your sales funnel, turning them into leads and customers. You can also build rapport with visitors who have spent a lot of time on your website. The next time they are thinking of purchasing something related to a niche, your brand will be the first thing that they think of. Want to give internal linking a try? Well, LSI Graph can help you do just that. LSI Graph's keyword mapper helps you strategically plan all the target keywords of your content silo. With the mapper, you can create a content hierarchy and never again overlook any traffic opportunity. Functions such as adding an arrow link, or adding descriptions, or adding a label lets you effectively plot the linking relationship of all your content. Say no more to rows and rows of spreadsheets collecting your content's interlinking direction. You can now one glance at the link direction of all your key content and make swift interlinking decisions. And that's it. Suppose you want to give LSI Graph a try? Click the link in the description below. And of course, if you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification button for more sneak peeks, updates, tutorials, and everything LSI Graph. Till next time, goodbye.